Hey Internet people, it's Steve with Transfer Express, your favorite place for custom transfers, screen printed and full color. Today we're checking out our newest product in the screen printed transfer line, the reflective transfers. Reflective transfers are a water-based ink that does exactly what the name implies. When it's dark out and light hits it, it reflects the light nicely. Now let's take a look at how that works. Anyways, as you can see, the reflective transfers are great for a ton of different customers. Fire departments, construction companies, cyclists, emergency services, runners, night construction, service and towing, and even just fashion. As you can see, the major use of this product is to keep the person wearing it safe. Our reflective transfers have a luminance of 400 to 450 candelas. This is the measurement of the intensity of light, and some of your customers may have that requirement in looking for these kind of transfers. The transfers are also sold by the 11.5 by 18 inch sheet, so you can fit tons of designs on the same sheet. And of course, you can set this up into easy view just like any one of our other transfers in the design center. Take a look here. Once your sheet's all set up, enter how many sheets you need to get. The minimum is 5 sheets. All right, now let's get these lights on and show you how they're applied. All right, let's thread our shirt onto the auto clam here. We're gonna give it a quick 5-second pre-press. Gonna pop this guy down. And this is pressed at 290 degrees for 15 seconds and a cold peel. Let's set this aside and let it cool. Alrighty, feels pretty cool to me. Let's get this peeled. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want to learn more about these transfers or anything else we offer, hop on over to transferexpress.com. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos weekly. Ring that bell button to get notified about them, and please do leave a like and a comment. Thanks so much. I'm gonna go biking.